एखादे जर युनियनान तुमकां कॉल दिले की तुम्ही हांगा उपस्थित रावपाक जाय आणि असोच तुमचो आमकां सपोर्ट मेळोंक जाय आणि आमी अपेक्षा दवरता की तुमी अशेंच आमच्या बरोबर सदांच आसतले. आयज ऑफिसर असोसिएशन आणि युनियन आयज आमी एकठांय जाल्ले आसा.
We are protesting against the long pending, the management has not settled our demands for the last so many years. Our last wage settlement was signed in the year 2009. From 2009, over 10 years have passed, there is no wage revision in Goa State Cooperative Bank. So we are demanding that the management should immediately revise the wages and service conditions of all the employees and officers. So we have been patiently waiting with the hope that the management would discuss with the union and association and resolve our demands. But they have not done. So that is why this one day protest dharna in front of the head office of the bank. Demands is normal every 4 or 5 years. The bank employees have to be given a wage rise. So the last wage revision was given for the period from 2009 to 2013. So after 2014 there is no wage revisions. We are expecting that reasonable wage rise should be given from 2014 onwards.
Why it was not done?
See, we have been approaching the management from time to time. Initially there was a board of administrators was appointed. They assured us and they did not settle. Now the new board has taken over and they also are giving assurances and excuses but not settling.
हांव चंद्रानंद पुनो नायक गोवा राज्य सहकारी बँकेच्या आज या दोन्ही युनियनान एकठांय येवन हो जो धरणाचो कार्यक्रम हांगसर दवरलो हो कार्यक्रम सक्सेस करपा खातीर आमचे सगळे म्हणजे युनिटी आसा ही दाखोवपा खातीर सगळे स्टाफ एका जोटीन एकमतान हांगा आयले. जरी काम आपल्या आसूं किंवा नासूं सगळें कामां घरा कडेन दवरून प्रत्येकान ठरयल्लें की 2 दीस सुटी आसा खंय तरी भोंवपाक वयतले पूण सगळो कार्यक्रम कुशीक दवरून आयज सगळो कार्यक्रम कुशीक दवरून ह्या आमच्या धरणा कार्यक्रमाक सगळो हजर रावले. आनी आज जो आमचो चार्टर्ड ऑफ डिमांड एकूच आसा की आमचो जो डिमांड पेंडींग आसा तो आमकां हक्क आसा हो आमचो हक्क तेणी आमकां दिवचो इतलोच आमी तेंचे कडेन मागणी करता. आनी आमकां अशें दिसता आज हो धरणा कार्यक्रम पिसफूल केला. आमी कोणाचेच टिका करूं ना कोणाचेर आमचो कोणाचेर आमी टिका केल्ली ना कारण कित्याक जो हक्क जो आमचो तो हक्क आमकां मेळपाकूच जाय आनी हक्क आमी मेळत सर हो जो आमचो लढो आसा तो आमी कायम दवरितले आनी इतलेंच हांव सांगून हांव म्हजें